Anyway, we'd have trouble if we wore slick socks, right? What about the wall? Does the wall have a slope?
Bend down.
Okay, quiet. I want everyone to think about this.
Now we can.
Does the wall have a slope?
Uh-uh.
5 seconds to think quiet.
No.
Oh yeah.
Okay, why do you say the wall has no slope?
Because it's not slanted.
Because it's slide
Okay, you're right. And later on we'll get to it, and I want you to remember the wall when we get to it. And if you do remember, keep watching out for that. And when you, the first one to call attention to my example of the wall, we'll get a 10.
Wait, say it again.
Pay attention today to the lecture and try to remember the wall in my example. Okay, our objectives today. Our objectives today, Keandre.
Identify negative examples of a negative and positive slope.
I know the
Negative and positive slopes. First of all, before we get started, we are going to read slopes like we read a textbook. Which side, left or right, do we start?
Left.
From the left. That's how we're going to read lines, okay? From left to right, always. That's how we're going to tell if we have a positive or negative slope. Next one, the Corianza.
Find the slope of a given line on a graph using rise over run.
Okay, we're going to also learn about rise over run. I think Cheyenne said that. Okay, next, Brooke. Brooke.
Graph a line when a slope and a point are known.
Okay, when we hear graph a line, what do you think we're going to be using?
A graph.
Graph. Okay. Olivia?
Match a graph to a slope and a point.
Match a graph to a slope and a point. Okay. Mini lessons. First thing on your notes. When we work with slope, we will have to know how to simplify a fraction. Friday, we went over simplifying fractions, and I think you did a pretty good job. We're going to go over it again just briefly. And to simplify, you divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. For instance, 3 divided by 6. What will we divide by? 2. What will we divide by?
6.
3.
Can we divide 3 by 2?
3.
3. Very good. Okay? 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Very good. Negative 6. 4 over 6.
4.
What will we divide by? 2. Okay, is this answer going to be negative or positive? This is very important. Negative. Negative. So it's going to be a negative 4 divided by 2 is, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Keep the sign, okay? Make sure you keep the sign. 3/4.
Let me see.
Can we simplify
No,
that?
you can't, because nothing can go into 3 and 4.
That's right. Very good. Already simplified. Okay, I'd like you to do these by yourself. There's 3, 2 eighths, 5 6, and negative 4 tenths. It shouldn't take long.
I'm gonna laugh at Carl.
Don't write this question in.
What did the man say?
And
I know you're pretty good at this, so thumbs up when you're done, so I know. Okay, so
What were we doing? Oh, I see.
okay, Valerie, what did you do for the first one?
Divided by 2.
Okay,
And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it's 2.
okay.
True.
I think my PowerPoint's gonna show a different answer first. Okay, what about this one right here?
It's already no, you can't do it.
It's already simplified. How about this one,
Yeah,
Lacey?
think about
Lacey, what did you divide? What did you use to divide this one? This fraction? You divided by 2? And what is the answer going to be, a negative or a
2
positive?
A
Sheldon?
negative.
Okay, no shouting out answers, okay? Raise your hand and I'll call on you. Sheldon, is this going to be negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Lacey said we're going to divide by 2, and so what did the fraction end up being? Stephanie,
Ma'am.
what did they?
-2.
Very good. Oh, so I didn't get it right. 1/4. This one is simplified already, and this one ended up being 2/5. Just like Stephanie said. Very good. Everybody good with simplifying fractions?
Yep.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Stephanie? Okay. All right. I'm going to show you a video.
We did this.
Can't you really get the lights while you're out here?
Yes.
In our next unit, we're going to be talking about slopes, gradients, lines, stiffness, and inclines.
Slopes can be positive. Slopes can be negative. Slopes can have 0 slope. And slopes can have no slope. The slope is, in the simplest of terms, the measurement of a line, and is defined as the ratio of the rise divided by the run between 2 points on a line. Or in other words, the ratio of the altitude change to the horizontal distance between any 2 points on a line.
In mathematics, we assign the letter M as the symbol for a slope, and one of the ways to find it is using formulas like this one, or this one here.
You may think that this is new to you, but in reality you are very familiar with slopes.
The slope of the hills, these beautiful shoes.
Slopes can be seen everywhere.